Managing personal expenses becomes dramatically easier when you use Lunar's spending tools correctly. Lunar provides a clean, automated system that captures every transaction the moment it happens, allowing you to monitor your financial habits without extra work. The core strength of Lunar lies in its real-time transaction tracking. Every time money leaves your account, Lunar instantly categorizes the expense into clear labels such as groceries, transportation, dining, or entertainment. This automatic classification removes the need for manual entries while still giving you a precise view of where your money goes. The best way to track your expenses with Lunar is to activate Spending Insights. This feature displays your spending patterns in simple visual charts. You receive a breakdown by day, week, and month, making it easy to spot increases or unnecessary recurring charges. Lunar also highlights category spikes. If your dining expenses rise above your usual average, the app immediately shows it so you can adjust your behavior before overspending. Budgeting inside Lunar is another essential step. Set limits for each spending category, and Lunar will track your progress throughout the month. When you approach your limit, the app sends alerts, helping you stay disciplined without feeling restricted. Every alert is designed to guide smart decisions rather than punish spending. For users who want deeper control, Lunar's subscription overview is extremely useful. It lists every active subscription, the next billing date, and the exact amount in dollars. You can cancel unwanted services directly from the app, reducing silent financial leaks. Finally, take advantage of the monthly spending report. Lunar automatically compiles all your transactions into a clear end-of-month snapshot. This report helps you refine budgets, eliminate waste, and plan ahead with confidence. Using these tools consistently ensures you always know where your money goes and stay firmly in control of your financial life.